Number 15, Arnolds. Number 10, Hero. Number 8, Secretariat. Number 22, Abad. Number 69, Alcantara. Huwag kayo, kaway-kaway naman dyan sa mga kamay. Number 20, Alex. Number 420, We the Boys. Number 8, Concepcion. Number 28, Ray. Number 21, Zaxmaid. Green Team. Starting with number 18, Sakare. Number 1, Yusuf. Number 28, Zab. Number 59, Naral. Number 19, Melbourne. Number 27, Wisidet. Number 5, Canaria. Number 19, Capules. 0, Jalal. Number 1, Jess. Palakpak naman dyan para sa ating red team. Number 27, Misty Dawn. Number 32, Penny Randa. Number 19, Renzo. Number 47, Herrera. Number 17, Global. Number 40, Aquanwa. And number 88, Ali. Number 2, Charles. And number 21, Silas. And now, let's manage our managers. Alright, once I call your name, please come forward. Let's begin with our manager, Mr. Ibrahim. Next manager, Ibrahim. Next is Sir Muhammad. Palakpakan natin si Sir Muhammad. Sino yung isa? Nahiya. And of course, Mr. General. And of course, Mr. Ibrahim.
And we are happy to share all of you this match. Inshallah, we see the result and we will all of us will be happy.
Okay. Palakpakan natin ang ating manager. Ngayon po si ating manager, Mr. Ibrahim.
Good evening, everybody.
Ang dami yung team sa Katarwan. You have a lot of members in Katarwan.
And follow the word I will say. So we will establish the oath of sportsmanship, okay? So I state your name, do solemnly pledge under the amateur status that I will be guided with the highest standard of sportsmanship and fairness, that I shall recognize and abide by the decision of the officials of the game. Help promote the spirit of camaraderie among ourselves through these wholesome sports, and this is from acts that will result in ill will among our participants. I further pledge that I will contribute my best towards the success of this tournament and help achieve the aims and purpose for which it is being held. So help us all, and thanks be to God. Salamat.